Hey guys, welcome back to another coin form video. It's that time again where we'll make these videos, and where Boost Mobile wants us to switch over to them, should I say, and get enticing deals like this iPhone SE on us, or on them, should I say. So it says Boost Mobile, come back and get an iPhone SE on us when you switch. So right off the bat, it's telling you, it's not sugarcoating it. It says you have to port your number in from competing carrier. So your price is $0. The phone is $500 or $499.99. iPhone SE, I believe this is the second gen. So it's going to be a quick video. This offer does expire on June 7th. So about 2 days from the making of this video, guys. So you still have some time to go pick up this phone. You can go tomorrow if you want. In store only. Let's look at the fine print. Limited time offer. Offer ends June 7th, 2022. Port in is required while supplies last. Excludes tax. Availability only in select markets / retailers. Select plans only. So the most likely to get this, you will have to get the unlimited plan, the unlimited data plan. May not be combined with other offers. Screen image simulated, other items. So basically, it's going to say you have to get this deal in store. So it says find a store. You cannot get it online, guys. So you have to go into a Boost Mobile local store to get this deal. But not bad. I mean, you're saving $500 to get an iPhone SE, which is great, So that's a great offer. Sorry, the price, the retail price had me a little confused. $500 because the iPhone SE second generation is only $399, and of course depends on the storage size. And then even if you get, so see, this is the second gen right here. 64 is 400, 450 for 128, and 256 at 550. So Boost Mobile might be stretching the truth right there. You know what I mean? Even if we look at the other generation, which is the third one, even this price is still fourth. I mean, look at that. I don't know, but like I said, that's how you can tell. It shows the image of it. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, guys, it looks like a good deal. I mean, I guess, they're stretching the truth on that retail price. Kind of like when you go to TJ Maxx or Ross or something like that. They're like, oh, this shirt was $50, but you're getting it for 10. Like, yeah, okay. But overall, it's free, so why not? If you're thinking about switching over to Boost Mobile and join the network, which is under T-Mobile's network, and you can as well get AT&T's network, then you can try it out. So check it out. Thank you for watching, guys. Pretty quick video. Please comment, rate, subscribe. A lot more videos coming your way.